Hello everyone, it is here again with another video, and in this video, this will not be a tutorial video like the last couple of days. This will be a talking ceremony kind of. What the flip the ceremony would mean? Yeah, in this video I will just be talking about uh, and yes, my Neopage has Marisa and a penguin in it, so it's pretty cute. And then uh, the usual Alpine, but this time I will be using DWL, and this is not a desktop environment, this is a Windows manager. So I don't know if this is the problem with NeoFetch itself or it's the Alpine's package maintainer that is not properly configuring things. In any case, this is not a desktop environment, this is a Windows manager. Go home, Neopage, you're drunk. So, we will be talking about Wayland. Before that, actually, I think most of you already know what Wayland is. Wayland is basically this display server in Xorg, in Linux, GNU/Linux. We have two kinds of display server, that is Xorg and also Wayland. And Wayland is kind of this new technology that we haven't really discovered fully, and people started using it because they know that in Wayland they don't have any screen tearing. They can render stuff much more easier and also apparently more secure, and that's what makes Wayland so popular in the public currently. And in this repository by DJ Pauli, I don't know if I pronounce that correctly, but in this repository you will see that he made a DWM version of Wayland. So he ported DWM onto Wayland, and in his wiki, in the wiki section part, I don't know why this is taking so long. In his wiki part here, you will see that there are already lots of patches that you can already install in your machine, and some of them are really popular, like XFX6 keysim. So yeah, if you're a laptop user, you should probably want that, because, or if your keyboard have some kind of XFX6 input, you definitely want that as well. And then we have vanity gaps, which is for showing gaps between your what the hell, why the flip is my thing like this? Yeah, showing gaps between your windows like this. And oops, looks like I killed my MPV. Well, that's fine. Oh, where the flip? Let's make it sticky. Oh yeah, that's another patch right there, sticky. So it makes your yeah, well, I'm just gonna tell you some stuff that are popular here. Sticky, swallow, and then if you have a touch screen, you can add the touch screen patch right here. Look at that, simple touch screen functionality. Currently emulates mouse movement and button presses. Pretty cool. I don't think tablet support is patchable yet for tablet like Wacom. I really want a patch for Wacom tablet in the future if it does have one. And then what else is there? touch screen, blah blah blah. Right is for automatically putting a new connected monitor onto the right side of your main monitor. I use that as well because it's easy to it's easier to do stuff, right? Just plug it in and it's ready to go. I don't have to worry about anything else. And well, you know the drill. It already has lots of patches that you can have. And actually for status bar, I actually use some bar here, as you can see. Now in DWL, bar and DWL is actually not it's not really connected together, you know. So if you see here, the developer of Soundbar said that out of the box, Soundbar cannot control DWL. Clicking on the tag has no effect because there is no communication channel from Soundbar back to DWL. So if you want here, if I just hit the tag, I will not be able to go to one tag and another because here there is no communication channel. That's what the developer said. And if you do want, you need one of these patch, and this is the patch for DWL, and that the patch for Soundbar is you can have the source, build this from source here, and in Soundbar here in contrib, I believe in contrib, and here are some patch that you can use for Soundbar, and you would need this one, IPC.patch. And for the right hand side of my Soundbar, we actually have some blocks here. That's not actually Soundbar. Here, some blocks again it's the same utility. Wait, it's a different utility made by the same person, this Rafi person, and it basically just add this modular status bar. Honestly, I really liked it. I really like having modular status bar on the right, okay, because I kinda see weather, I guess, weather, and then date, clock, and that's pretty nice. Anyway, so for some of you that are probably still in X and you're wondering, is Wayland ready for me yet? Okay, so the DWL, the DJ Pogli, the one that ported DWM into Wayland, he actually list out some link here that you can visit when you want to migrate into Wayland. So the first link is gonna say, are we Wayland yet? And I'll say yes, we are Wayland yet. I mean, we are Wayland. Let's check the link. Are we Wayland yet? And the site said yes, absolutely, we are Wayland. And here are some applications that are available in here. As you can see, for Wayland we have Gamma Step, we have Game Krita, we have Waypipe. What the flip is Waypipe? Oh, I never heard of that, and I didn't even use that. Then ST, W Logout. Okay, maybe I should try that out. That seems interesting. W Logout. uh, but yeah, again, we already have lots of, let's say, uh, utility that you can use in Wayland. Well, Anga, that's cool and all, but how about work? I want to work under Wayland. Okay, let's check out LibreOffice, alright? Because if you see here, Krita is already here. How about Caden Life? Actually, maybe. Okay, whatever. Uh, Actually, we can try out Caden Life. Let's open it. Okay, Caden Life works fine. Maybe not the best. Where the flip is Caden Life? Okay, here it is. Here it is. But yeah, it works. Okay, I'm not gonna set that up. Okay, how about LibreOffice? Okay, I'm gonna open it right now in LibreOffice. Now, formerly LibreOffice doesn't actually work properly in DWL for me, so I don't know if this will happen to you or will not. But in any case, I will just say it right now that that formerly, before this, in Alpine, right, I installed Wayland and also LibreOffice. And when I'm in my Sway session, LibreOffice will just run under Wayland. But for some reason, DWL cannot make Wayland open LibreOffice, and I was kinda confused because I thought it's gonna work the same way Sway does. It just work out of the box. But turns out no, it doesn't, and I'm super confused. So I found out that LibreOffice actually has this. It has this package named LibreOffice GTK, and under this, with these extensions GTK, it works properly, and I don't have to worry about anything. I don't even have to install Wayland, in fact. So that was quite annoying. And I just killed my MPV session again. Alright, now we're cooking. Alright, the last one actually that I want to show you is that Fort Manager also work under Wayland. I know last time I thought that Fort Manager is not working for me, but yes, it does now. All of this works nicely under Wayland. And I'll also talk about why it doesn't actually work under Wayland before. So before this, I actually installed a KEMU with hypervisor KVM and Fort Manager for the GUI front end, and for some reason Fort Manager just don't want to connect, just don't want to open. And the problem is some kind of Python 3.11, and the difference between now and then is that I use a pip3 to install YTDLP. I know this is so fucking stupid, but so formerly actually I want to have YTDLP in my system because, well, it's nice to be able to download a video and audio with metadata built into it with easy from any website, right? And so I installed YTDLP in my app repository. from my Alpine package keeper, but the problem with that is it doesn't actually run. It has some kind of Python 3.1 3.11 problem, and I was confused, and so I just thought, well, if this doesn't work, then fuck it, I'm gonna install it through pip. And so I did. I installed it with Python pip 3, right? And when this is done, YTDLP is working properly, and for some reason now Thread Manager also works. So I think this is just the problem with Alpine package keeper rather than Wayland, and that's kind of annoying, you know. Like if you have a binary distribution, you should have a binary that can work under all situation, right? It doesn't make sense to have these broken packages. And also this also happened to me with Kava. Kava, if you don't know, it's a console something visualizer for your terminal. And formerly in Artix I used this, you know, because it's pretty cool to have a visualizer on terminal that's not connected through only MPD. MPD you can also have that kind of visualizer in NCMP. But under this Alpine, in Alpine package keeper, in up, I'll just say it up, in up, the Kava that's built into it doesn't actually has lip pulse. It doesn't it's not built with pulse audio support, and I'm just confused. Like if you're if you're maintaining a binary distribution, why not just why don't just distribute a binary that actually works for all devices? Why does it only connect through ALSA and not through Pulse as well? I mean, literally everybody uses Pulse. At least everybody that want to actually have a workable audio. Anyway, that's just what I'm confused about. So next is how many minutes do we have left? Oh, whatever, 20 minutes. That's child play. In this next thing is that we're gonna join a live stream, right? It has been a couple of times. I have joined a live stream in X, and now I'm gonna join a live stream in Wayland. I hope I don't get copyrighted here. And as you can see, all of this works perfectly fine under Wayland. Let's see, and in fact I'm using 720. I'm not gonna use 720 actually. It's gonna my network will not be able to handle those. I'm just gonna say hi. I hope your channel is going well. Alright, there you go. Okay, this has been a video of Wayland. Obviously Wayland is just better than X11 because the rendering of everything is just better. It's a better experience for me personally. It might be a better experience for you, or it might not be because some limitation. But in any case, you should try it out if you do have the time, because Wayland is kind of this new technology that, and I'm just excited over it. I'm just excited that we have better alternative for Xorg, because I know Xorg can be buggy from time to time. And yeah, I'm just gonna end this video here. Don't forget to hit the like button if you do enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next video. Uh, yeah, uh, good day everybody. I'll see you next time.